Hi, my name is Jenny Lynn Sloan. I live in Azusa, California, and I had an appointment on Wednesday to get my drain cleaned out. David came. He was here for 2.5 to 3 hours. We had a huge problem coming from my house to the main street and then from my house back under going up the other way. He came back again the next day with his supervisor. We went through it. They did like this really cool kind of microscopic where they set a little camera down there and I could see actually what was going on down there. It was really interesting. Still wasn't fixed because it was that bad. So today we did it! And Aaron helped too. They had to go up on top of the roof. They had a great big old machine that made like a lot of noise, but finally it's all done. It's all clear and I'm so happy. This is like great. I love Dave.